If you're digging, building or renovating, knowing what's underground is critical. A GPR survey gets you that clarity without breaking ground. Let's explore what it is, how it works and why it matters. A GPR survey, or ground penetrating radar survey, is a sophisticated non-invasive method for locating subsurface features such as metal pipes, plastic cables, voids, subsurface structure and more. In brief, it emits radio waves that penetrate into the ground and reflect back to a receiving antenna from different materials, providing data on both location and depth of that buried object. A GPR antenna emits high-frequency electromagnetic waves into the earth. When these encounter objects or layers with different physical properties, these waves are reflected, received and are recorded. These return signals are captured in real time and interpreted by experts to produce depth profile images of what lies beneath the ground surface. High-frequency antennas provide fine detail at higher resolution for shallow surfaces. Deeper, lower frequency antennas reach greater depth, though with less resolution. Smaller objects are unlikely to be seen at depth due to loss of resolution. Greater difference in reflectivity between a buried object and surrounding soil will give a better defined image or result. For example, a clay drainage pipe in a clay soil environment won't garner optimum results. GPR excels where other methods like electromagnetic locators fall short, especially for non-metallic services such as plastic pipes or fibre cables. Laser surveys combine GPR with EML and utility records for best coverage. GPR is fast, precise and safe for excavation planning. Ground penetrating radar is ideal for confirming utility positions before digging when used as a tool alongside EML, mapping telecoms, gas and electric routes, potentially detecting buried voids or foundations before development, although this will depend on the type of radar deployed, and tank or culvert location. It's used in urban, rural and public spaces, anywhere you have suitable surface level access. GPR should not be used as a standalone method for location services, and using GPR alone may not satisfy nationally recognised standards such as PAS 128. When planning a GPR survey, especially when targeting specific features such as culverts or tanks, the main consideration should be access and deployability. Is it practical to run a GPR unit around the size of a large lawnmower over the target area? Size and depth of potential services, especially with regards to smaller or domestic supplies. Type of ground scanned. Is there a likelihood of reinforcement or made ground, or is saturation of the media likely? All things which will limit the effectiveness of radar investigations. An example may be, if the area is prone to flooding, then the chances of positive returns may be limited by saturated ground. We're happy to advise on any particular site if required. When data capture is complete, the team return to the office to post-process the data. This includes analysis of the site data and comparison with EML results, topographical base and record plans. We then produce an integrated detailed plan drawing CAD and PDF, showing the location, depth and where definable type of each detected subsurface feature. We also provide expert interpreted notes where necessary, making the final product user-friendly in both a desktop or site-based environment. Before you excavate or risk utility strikes, get a GPR survey. It's thorough, accurate, non-destructive and backed by expert interpretation. Contact Laser Surveys today for your free GPR quote and plan your project with confidence.